This time on Beat Up Builds, we're building some drawers for the welder. Welcome back to Beat Up Builds. My name's Daniel, and this is my Eastwood welder. So this cart for the welder, it started out as like some kind of medical cart for a hospital. My dad got it for $5. He honestly just bought it to roll something out from the car show to his car. It was worth $5 to him for that. He figured it'd be good for something. He gave it to me. Now it's a welder cart. I've already welded some angle iron and a wheel on here for the bottle. So I've already modified it a little bit, and I made this grinder holder as well. It's working out really well. It rolls really nice, which is good. And it was cheap. Everything was next to nothing. This is part of a bed frame. And it's just been a fun little play around project, and it's been really useful. But there's a problem. The bottom is awful. You just gotta lay everything there, and it's not organized. The storage is awful. It's all covered in grinding dust, and it's awful. So we're gonna change that. We're gonna just take a bunch of random junk around the shop, and we're gonna build some kind of drawers for it. So let me grab the camera, and I'll show you the game plan. All right, there's the welder. We've got an angle iron in the back with a wheel. The angle iron's from the bed frame. That's holding our bottle. Then we got a piece of angle iron right there that holds our grinders and like our pens. And the tape measure when I remember to put it back on there. So it's pretty handy already, but this bottom's no good. We're gonna use the angle iron here as slides for the drawer. And then we're gonna make the drawers out of wood. I've got 2x4s there and there. And I've got a bunch of MDF or whatever you call it stuff, the fibery wood you build the house with, the outside of a house. And that's what we're gonna use. And it's all gonna be free and cheap, and it's gonna work out great, and we're gonna be happy at the end of this video. So let's dive right in and start cutting things up and building something. Alright, I got everything cleaned up. I got the stupid wheels cut off, and there's like little nubs and stuff I cut off and cleaned up, so it's pretty much just angle iron now. So this upper one, or this should do the upper one, this big one, I can cut it in half. There might be a little bit left over, and then this side, this should do one side of the lower, and then I'll cobble a bunch of scraps together to do the other side, I think. Might not be perfect, but I don't think it has to be that great on the bottom. So let's dive into that and start building it. Check it out, I got one rail welded in, and then I got two cut for the top that are totally straight pieces, and then I'm using one of the top pieces to weld two pieces together, and then I'll have to weld another piece because it's still a little bit short. And hopefully that works. I'm hoping I don't accidentally weld it to this one and screw it all up. I don't know, let's weld it together, see what happens. Ugly, but it'll do the trick. So let's weld these three in, and we'll start making some drawers. All right, we got the two bottom rails welded in. I have the two top ready to go, but I think what I'm gonna do is build this drawer and set it in there, so that way I can set these at the appropriate height without measuring and figuring it out. I'll just build the drawer. So I'm gonna cut a bottom and start building it. Check it out. As long as I put my 2x4s to this size, we'll be good to go. That's kind of how the drawer work. So let me cut some 2x4s now. All right, made a mess, but we got one drawer. And I found this handle. I think it's from like a Chevy or something, I don't know. I just had a random handle, so I put that on there. But look, we got one drawer. It works relatively well. And once you put the other ones on, it right now like it'll do one of those, which you don't want. But once we put the other rails above it, it'll keep it from doing that. So let's weld the other rails on and make another drawer. Okay, so I got the second set of angle iron slides welded in. So now that helps the bottom drawer from like tipping over. So the bottom drawer is doing pretty good. And then I cut another bottom to match this one for the top, and that fits right in there as I expected it to. And then I'm playing around here a little bit. So I shoved the 2x4 in and put one on top, and it seems like if I double stack them, it's the perfect height. So I think what I'm gonna do is double stack the sides, and then I think I'll cut the MDF or fiberboard or whatever for the back and the front. And then in the front, I think I'll have it overlap to the top a little. That's kind of what I did on the bottom, and that kind of works as a stop so it doesn't go back too far. And that's it, that's the plan. So let's start building the drawer and we might be done soon. All right, I did a lot. I did double stack these, that worked out perfectly. And then I just doubled this up and it seals up nicely to here. So it's pretty well sealed. Here, let me slide this back. I got some stuff in here. So that seals up nicely with this other piece. And then back here, I put a 2x4 in here to seal it up this way. So basically all the drawers are relatively sealed. Very small gaps. I think it's gonna keep everything pretty clean. I did have to go back here. I don't know if you guys remember, I had a notch cut in this, but my drawer wouldn't close all the way. So I just took a random little piece that I had left and tacked it in here and stood the bottle up a little more, and that gave me some more room there. But yeah, this thing's working out really well. The bottom drawer, we have like our TIG gun. I'm not even sure what that's for. That's for the nozzles. There's some sticks in there, stick welding stuff in the back. So we got all that in there. They don't slide the greatest, but they do work. Yeah, and I made a spring handle for the moment, and just had a random spring. I welded it to two bolts, and that's my handle. But I think this came out really well. Everything's really nice and sealed, and it's got a little bit of character, but I don't know. It was a cool little project and didn't take too long to do. And that's it for this week. This project turned out awesome. I spent $0. I did it in about 4 to 5 hours. I had family in town, so I didn't have a lot of time this week to mess around with stuff. And this is a cool project that I did. I came up with it luckily. And this is gonna make the welding cart a lot better. I can store a lot more things, get a few things out of the toolbox, and then store some things in here that we're going to use for the welding cart anyway. So it's really handy to be able to roll this where you're working, open the drawer, and you got everything you need in there. So I'm excited about that. I don't know if you guys like that or not, but we'll get back on some automotive stuff next week. If you like what you saw here, I'm super resourceful. I don't have a lot of money to spend, so I work really well with very little money, and we make a lot of fun stuff happen. So if you enjoy that, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.